Hello everyone, this is Natalie from Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you all again to our SEMRUSH series. To those who are watching this for the first time, we are doing reviews/tutorial of different SEO tools from different SEO companies. And for this specific series, we are doing SEMRUSH. So I am currently using an account that is registered under free trial because we want to check first, or this is more catered to those who are thinking or have not yet decided whether or not to sign up for a paid subscription for SEMrush. So previously we have done the SEO and local SEO categories, and we are now under the advertising category with market analysis as the subcategory. And since we have discussed the main overview in detail for or under the SEO category, then we'll be jumping over to advertising research, and that would be our topic for today. So basically, advertising research does what it implies. It targets ad strategies, for example, your competitors' ad strategies, and it allows you to spot or nitpick on their strengths and weaknesses so that you can improve your own campaign. So before we go ahead and use the tool, let us just first have a quick discussion on what we can expect from it and what it exactly does. So the advertising research tool allows you to uncover competitors' ads in terms of strategies and budgets. So you will be able to monitor your rivals' pay-per-click activities, their ad spends, and most profitable ad copy. So that's very insightful, especially if you want to match the level of advertisement that your competitor has. And of course, if you want to also go beyond what they're currently doing, so having such insights is very important so that you can improve your very own campaign. And then next, it analyzes competitor keywords and ad copy. So it also has to do with keywords, and because you see, keywords are very, very important in terms of advertisements as well, because it is what will be shown or what is usually being searched for. You can absolutely make use of those results so that you can have better turnouts in terms of advertisements and the likes. And given that you will be having some insights about your competitors' ads, then you would also be able to assess their PPC or the PPC competition between you and your competitors. So having said all of those, let's now go and have a look at what this tool does and see it straight in action. So I'm just going to be using one of these domains, just clicking on YouTube so that we can see the results from there. So here in terms of keyword traffic and traffic costs, we have the following results. Estimated traffic, you can see a huge spike here over the period of November of last year up to January of this year. And you can also see what keywords are being looked for paid search positions. So there you go, you have a list of all of those results, position changes. Let's check what happens here. So new and lost keywords, these are the comparison results. New paid search positions and competitors. Let's have a look at what YouTube's competitors are all. So here you see YouTube, DisneyPlus.com, Snapchat, and as well as other So here's a list of the competitors that we are seeing results of. And here you also get the ads copies. See all of these results pertaining to YouTube ad copies, ad histories. Alright, so that one is for premium free trial accounts. So yeah, so basically that is it for advertising research, which goes to show how important advertisements are when dealing, of course, with or when maintaining your business online. So it's the same even for small or big establishments or companies. So you really have to work on those advertisements so that you can be able to rank better and have also better online presence. So yeah, that's it for advertising research. I hope you find this review helpful and that you guys would be tuning in for more of these videos for SEMRUSH. And until then, see you next time.